The wild robot.
Look at that. Yeah. So we don't get BO.
At least I don't think we do.
Skincare products. I don't want to get up. I'm so tired. Went to bed with my hair like completely wet last night. This is what happens. First, take out eye retainers. Okay, so lately I haven't been washing my face with soap. I just been using cold water. I have acupuncture this morning, so we're just gonna do a quick, easy skincare routine. We're gonna start off with my Rose Glazy Milk, which is like one of my favorite skincare products. I woke up with my cheek feeling so painful right here, and I thought I was getting a new pimple because, you know, pimples are really painful, but I realized it's because I played pickleball for the first time yesterday and my friend hit me in the face. So it's like really sore right here. I think I'm like bruising. I look like a mess right now. My shirt right now literally has like bleach stains on. This is reality. First, I'm gonna use this SkinCeuticals Vitamin C Serum. I feel like this oxidized too much. Like, oh, it shouldn't be this orange, but this is an expensive bottle that they gifted me and I don't want to waste it. So I'm just gonna use it. They said on the website that even if the color changes, it's still effective. So I'm just gonna trust that. I have been loving this Sally Max Calming Ampule. Okay, the one thing I hate is this though. It keeps coming out and it's kind of hard to use for some reason. It has panthenol in it, so I feel like it's been helping me break out a lot less. My skin's been recovering back from all the breakouts. Wow, my skin looks so glowy today. And the third thing that I've noticed a lot in my skincare routine that has helped me a lot was this Oil La La Crave Beauty. It's supposed to put all the good oils into your skin so the bad oils don't break you out. Technically, in the most worst way possible to explain. I don't like the smell to this. It's really strong, but I feel like since it's been helping me, I'm willing to suck it up. It kind of smells like very woody and almost plasticky. I've been using this Laneige water bank moisturizer. I'm so tired. I slept pretty late last night. Good morning, Mom.
Good morning, sweetie. Good morning, Lauren.
Lauren, wait, pants?
Did you? I took them from you.
What is that? What the?
It's a bow. I ate half of it.
Oh. Do you know how lucky and blessed I am? Because every morning my mom still decides to make me and Lauren food before she goes to work. It looks like today she made 된장찌개. I'm letting it boil, but oh my gosh, she's such an angel. My cup for the morning and my little tea bag. It's my cup. My favorite part in the morning is my rice cooker because it actually sings to us when it's ready.
I didn't say anything when it opened.
Oh! Bon appetit. Good morning. I gotta rush this because I have finishing touches before we go. Sunscreen. This one is the SPF 50 plus PA+++ Skin Project Sun Relief Cream from Thank You Farmer. I'm like almost out of this one. I really like this one. It feels very lotiony. It's very lightweight. It blends out so well. I've been loving these Fenty Treats Hydrating Lip Oils. This one's in Black Cherry. Just to keep my lips really moisturized before I head out.
Yay! You know the Solterra deodorant? That acidic one? I love it. Come here.
Okay, Lauren wants to show us her room tour. Quick, we gotta go.
So my sister has given me these.
Oh, I hate that rubbing sound.
So my sister's given me these. Oh, I hate that sound. But these smell so good. Okay, this one's fragrance free. I use this because I have eczema. Fragrance is bad. But on the special occasion, smell this. It's this.
It smells like citrus.
Right? Okay, that may be really gross because I put these on my armpit, but I swear I don't have BO. But this one smells so good too. It's grapefruit.
Clean.
I know, I love.
Guys, fun fact.
Solterra?
Really not really fun fact.
Thank you so much.
I literally like do not use deodorant.
Yeah, I don't really use it, but on the days where I'm with my friends just to be safe. But I don't think I have BO. I hope not.
I literally have, like, I remember in middle school, everyone wore deodorant and I was so confused.
Yeah, I was like,
during PE, I was like, what is this?
Yeah.
And they're like deodorant, but like I found out that Korean people have that, like, or East Asians.
We
and
have
my
the dry
family,
earwax gene.
we have the dry earwax gene, which is like some gene that produces BO. And then we don't have that, so
Yeah.
we don't get BO.
At least I don't think we do. How it has AHA, so in case I have ingrown hairs, you know? I hate that sound. Alright.
We're at Acupuncture and trigger warning. Needles. One in my head, one in my ear, one in this ear, and some on my belly. And I have it all over my legs, but I don't think I could ever get used to the acupuncture needles. I get really scared. I think it's helping me. It's like bringing me into like a calmer mental state. So I'm gonna go meditate now. See ya. Guys, we just did back cupping and I was on my stomach the whole time. Look at my face. That's when you know I had a good nap. But do you guys want to see my back? Crazy. Home from acupuncture and now I have a lot of work to catch up on. I have to film some videos and film an ad and then hop on a call and send some more work stuff over through email, so maybe you guys can come with me. It's not that fun though. I have to do my nails for this video, so that's exactly what I'll be showing you guys today. I'm just so grateful that even though I've been really sick the past few months, like I'm able to work at home in the comfort of my own home, because I don't think I would have been able to go out and do work like that because I've just been so sick. So I'm always so grateful that I'm able to stay at home and like do my job, you know what I mean? Another thing that I'm very grateful for about my job is when they send me free products, because who doesn't love free products? Check this out, guys. Essie nail polishes! I've loved Essie so much. I remember there was a time, ow, my wrist, in middle school where I wanted Essie. I put that on my Christmas wish list. A huge full circle moment. All because of you guys. Seriously. I love you guys. Look at that. This is the most famous viral shade. This is ballet slippers. And look at that. It's so pretty. Such a cute color. I'm like not used to this red color. I always go for really neutral nudes. Check that out. This is very festive, giving fall. Do my right hand, which is the scariest part because my left hand doesn't know how to act. I don't know why I painted it like this. How's it looking, guys? Pretty cute. I haven't seen myself in dark nails like this since I was in like middle school, because that's when I was like trying to be edgier. So I think this is really cute. I'm about to put like some toppings on it. I'll keep you guys updated. I just added a really cool topper. Silver chrome versus a normal color. So cool. Here's the final product. I tried doing like a cherry mocha for the holidays. I just ruined my nail. Oh my gosh, why do I always do that? But here's my final product. Just finished filming and doing all my emails. That was actually a lot longer than I expected it to be, but we got that all out of the way. This hair won't stop. I'm a type of person that needs to get my work done like, oh my gosh. I'm a type of person that needs my work done to like before the deadline. Like I'm too scared to go out of the deadline. I am always like on top of things. It's also like a respect thing too, because I don't want the brands to wait for me too long, especially when we have a deadline. I always like to do it on time or before, so it also gets my mind really clear. Anyways, another really important thing is I have some cool samples that I'm gonna test out. So let's test them out together. So pretty. I really like this formula. On the way to go to the movies, today we're gonna watch the Wild Robot. And I heard everyone cries after the theater, so let's see if I cry. Because I always cry. really hard not to cry, so I held my tears back. I'm just gonna get unready for bed. This new cleanser that I've been trying out. Today we're using this tomato cleanser that actually is a face mask, and then when you wash it off, it turns into a cleanser, which is really cool. Look at this. Rub a little bit onto my skin and then just leave it on for like a few minutes, and then I'll just wash it off and wash it off like a cleanser because it foams up. Look at that. So I left it on now and it's dry, ready to wash off. And it turned into a foam. This is the toner that I've been loving. Finish this cream, all done. Clean. This one. Alright, this is it. This is the end. It was a very blessed day. I did everything I needed to. I felt really good today. Now I get to sleep in my beautiful bed, and I'm just always so grateful to be able to end the day in a peaceful manner like this. So good night, guys. See you next week.